What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video. Today I want to go over a few things. This is a few months after I purchased my trailers, my likes and dislikes on my 20-foot gooseneck dump. I wish when I was purchasing this trailer, there was videos out there for somebody going over, the different features and what to expect when you will get a trailer. Because when I was purchasing the trailer, no one sat down with me, went over everything. So here I go doing mods. Okay, so the first issue I had is the ramps, the storage for the ramps. That's why you see these pockets made. Because the problem was I was removing my ramps and loading them back up a few times a day. Here's one of the ramps. These ramps are an overkill, very heavy. Now remember, these mods are just to make my life easier, not for everybody's needs. Like I said, ramps are overkill. They were 50, 40 pounds, 40, 50 pounds, wouldn't be an issue. These things are easily pushing 70, 80 pounds each. Easily. Overkill for what I'm using it for. So the problem is where they were mounted. When I purchased this trailer, I'll show you where they were mounted. All the way up front. As you can see here, there was racks here that I cut off. Because to lug those ramps back and forth throughout the day, I'm telling you, it's a pain in the ass. It's going to be a nightmare. Number two, they didn't explain to me the dual cylinder dump and the scissor dump, the difference. Because this is a dual cylinder dump. If this was a scissor lift dump, my ramps could have been mounted back here. Back here. There would be little doors here. They would slide from underneath. Very easy access to put on and remove. Wasn't explained that. Like I said, wish there was videos out there, somebody going over these things. So, what I ended up doing without, lugging them back and forth is I had these pockets made here. There you go. I went 4.5 inches by 19. This is the pin, just drops in there, locks the ramp in place when I'm dumping. There you go. This is what it looks like with the ramp inside. Pop that pin out, slide the ramp out, there you go. Ramps are back here, you don't have to lug them back and forth. What else? Oh, this is a deck over. Keep in mind, if you're in a market, I have a small tractor. There it is. It's a 37 horse TYM. It's a smaller tractor. I have a box plate on the back. These ramps stock come 6 foot. If you buy from Texas Pride Trailers, 6 foot. That's not enough. What happens is, like I said, if you have any kind of attachments on the back of your tractor, you're going to scrape. Even with it, I had my box plate all the way up. I was leaving scrapes on the ground in people's yards. It's a effing nightmare, okay? What I had to do, as you can see here, these were extended 12 inches. Less of an incline. Nothing scraping. This angle iron, I don't know what the hell they were expecting that you're going to be loading on this, I guess. A very wide piece of equipment. I don't know. As you could see here, the spray paint, that's so I could line up my ramps really quick and I know where my tires will hit. You see that? 13 inches on both sides had to be added on. Why? Because they went all the way over here with it. For what reason? I don't know what the hell you're going to be loading with that much space with about 6 inches left. I don't know. But Texas Pride, get your shit together on some things. So, 13 inches was added here. So if I ever get anything smaller, I can slide the ramp over. Simple little things. If you have the option to get a 2-speed jack, there's a hydraulic option, 2-speed jack, and just a normal single speed. Total nightmare. I wasn't told that these hand crank jacks, you can get a 2-speed jack. What happens is you can drop the foot a lot faster, jack the trailer, move your truck from underneath it. Total nightmare again, you know. But, you know, it is what it is. I learned a lot. This is my first 20-foot gooseneck dump. I will not make the mistake again. When I get my new one, it will definitely be set up to my needs so I don't have to do any kind of mods. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm hoping I could shine some light on a few things before you go purchasing it. Yeah, definitely do your research. Make sure you're educated on what you're buying. Ask questions, ask questions, ask questions over and over, and make sure it's going to be everything you want it to be, or you're going to end up doing stupid little mods to fit your needs. When you have a trailer this size, in my opinion, it needs to be a gravity down. Power up, gravity down. Why? Because you save your batteries. Save your batteries and your power if you need to dump multiple times a day. Power up, gravity down. So your pump is not running when you made your dump. It just, gravity takes it down. But otherwise, I mean, it's been a great trailer. I mean, there's a few things that I wish I didn't have to do mods on, but I think I got everything like I wanted now. It would have been nice if it came like that, but again, this is for my needs, and somebody else might have totally different needs. So, yeah, but I'm hoping I could shed some light on some things and hopefully answered some questions. If you're in a market, it's very important. Ask questions, ask questions, ask questions. Make sure it's going to fit your needs, or you're going to be doing modifications to it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.